Okay, I've been doing a checkered gradient. So how can you do that with CSS? So here it is, this image, background image, checkered, different colors. Right, so let's look at the CSS on the source code. So here we are, style type text CSS. That tells the browser and use CSS for a style type. Nested in that is the body. Parenthesis, the rule. So background image, linear gradient. Linear gradient, that's the CSS rule. 0 is the degree angle. So that's going to be coming down the page, top to bottom. Here's the first color at 0%. That's the first one. And so on, 16.667%, and so on and so on and so on. Until there'll be another degree angle. And here we are. Linear gradient, 90 degrees. Left to right, the width. I clicked, sent me to the start again. Okay, linear gradient, 90 degrees. A new color, 0%. That's the start. So then another color, all the same thing, different percentage along the screen, different widths, till we get to 100%. Creates a checked pattern, because some colours are going down, some colours are going over. But down, just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. 90 degrees, going left to right, so more lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. And you just choose what colours you want, so go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 42. Let's have a look at another one. Blue. Same sort of thing. So one will be at 0%, one at 90%. And you just choose the colour you want for whatever gradient you want. Let's have a look back. So there you are. Linear gradient 0 degrees, cent, and it's going all the way over. All the way over. Be 2. Till 100%. Then this second linear gradient again at 90, and another set of RGB colours till you get to 100%. Background size, cover. Background attachment fixed. Those are the other rules within that style opening and closing tag. So let's try some more. One. Different colours. Light. Let's have a look at this. Light, because on this one, same sort of thing, linear gradient 0, coming down, but I'm using a hue, saturation, lightness scheme. Excuse me. So there's the colour, and then there's the different settings. So you can use that as well. So same thing across. I went too far. Right, let's find this. So that's the first one, 0. Let's keep going. And there's the second one, linear gradient, 90 degrees. Creates this type of lighter checkered effect. Much lighter, you see, each colour, a yellow, a green, but with a hue, saturation and lightness. You get another one. Linear gradient 45, so that's going to be at an angle, sort of like bottom left, top right or something like that. I think that is it. So one starts at 45 degrees, let me find the second one to create the checkered effect. 200%. Then linear gradient 135 degrees. So that's more like top left to bottom right. So they're diagonal. So we'll preview that in the browser. I forget what colours I used for that. But we'll see now. And there you are. So it's a diagonal check effect, and again use whatever colours you want. I'm going to leave the link so you can just download that and just experiment with. Here's another one, linear gradient 0, side to side. Down here, so that'll be at something like 90 degrees, 10, I don't know, maybe 40 something, and then 42 or something. So they're close together. Quite nice. Let's have a look, see if I'm right. So linear gradient 0, that's going down the bottom. But it was the other angle I was more interested in, 97, 100%, okay. So going across, linear gradient, 90 degrees, 0%, 15, 15, 39. Well, and that was it, 39. So they're quite near. It was probably that one, 39 and 42. Whatever, it's the same method, two angles. Two angles there. Have a quick look at two more. So, same linear gradient 0. Let's have a look at this one. That's a nice one. So again, something similar, but a lot more lines going across. If I maximise that, there's actually a little line at the top going across. That's probably something like 1% or something. Right then, so the same sort of thing, linear gradient 0, going across 0%, 6%, that was that, 6.6. And another one at 90. There's a lot more lines on this one. 47, 41%, 42, 42, 53, and so on and so on. Okay, so that's how you do it to create a checkered effect. So leave for the gradients if you want them. That's it.